This is how I use ChatGPT to write my resume.
So we're going to go over, this is the resume that we have here, and this is just one that I found on Google. And we have ChatGPT open right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our job description, and you can see this is the one that I'm applying for here. And then we also have our remote job. So we're going to take our first prompt, and I'm just going to copy that into ChatGPT, and where it says paste job description here, you're just going to copy the entire job description. We're just going to paste it where it says paste here. So now we have all of the keywords that ChatGPT thinks is important in the job description. So we're going to take our next prompt. So we're going to paste our resume here. So I'm going to take everything from the profile down to the education section, and we are going to paste that right where it says paste and have it spit it out. So ChatGPT has now given us everything that we need to make an ATS friendly resume. So I'm just going to take the profile section here, and I'm just going to replace what we had here. We can change all the formatting after. And we're just going to take all of the points that now have all of the keywords and paste that into the section. ChatGPT is not perfect. This is a present position, and it's using it in past tense. So you do want to just make sure that you change it to present tense and you read over the resume. So I'm going to change this to leads and do the same for all of the other points. That our resume has been updated, we're going to work on the cover letter now. So this is the prompt here. Here's my cover letter draft. We're going to paste our cover letter here. So I'm going to go over here and scroll down to the cover letter. And I'm going to, it's formatted incorrectly, but we're going to copy and paste everything here and paste it right there. And again, I'm just going to remove the keywords and phrases because ChatGPT already knows that the keywords that we're using. So we're just going to let it spit it. Perfect. So now ChatGPT has spit out a cover letter that has all of the keywords that we need for this job description. So we're just going to copy it and paste it. And the thing that you want to make sure is that you read it over, change some words into your voice, and just make sure that there are no grammatical errors. Perfect. So now we have an ATS optimized resume and cover letter that have all of the keywords that are from the job description. I hope that was helpful.